What's going on, guys? Today I am saving like $200 blacking out these side vents on my M6. I bought some vinyl earlier, just some gloss black, and these should pop right out. I'm gonna wrap them, and the only other ones I've seen online are like 200 bucks for carbon fiber overlays or carbon fiber pieces. I don't want to spend that. I spent $8 on vinyl, and it should be plenty of vinyl to do this, so let's get started. Went ahead and popped this first side off really quick. I wanted to test it out. That way I wasn't struggling when I went to do the next one. I used this trim pulling tool, stuck it up under there like that, and basically just pried all the way around. There's a bunch of little clips that this thing locks into, and the remaining piece stays via that screw. So I'm gonna go and show you how I did it on the other side. So this side is off. You're gonna wanna be careful. I did break this little tab right here, but there's plenty of other tabs on this piece, so I'm not super worried about it. Now I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol, spray it on here, and wipe these things down so they're super clean. Vinyl I have is KMPF with the air lease technology stuff. If you guys want this exact color, let me do one of these. So that's the exact color of this vinyl. This is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to get this trimmed down to size with my amazing pink blade here. I'm going to go ahead and snap this off so it's nice and clean. Does it come with one? Yes, it does. There. So most of these X-Actos come with a little thing to break the blade off. Definitely want that to be sharp. I'm gonna angle my camera back down. I'm just gonna go to this line just to be safe. Here's what I ended up with. I decided to wrap over the chrome M6 badge as well. That piece was already black behind it, but I figured all black, just be sleek. Now the only chrome on the car will be around the badges and the front grills, but I'm gonna go throw these on the car and we'll see how they look. Snapping these back in was pretty simple. I started by pushing the front part of it in, and then went down the top, got all of those clips aligned and pushed in. And then when I got to this sliver of a piece in here, I used this tool and just kind of lined it up and pushed on it that way, and that seemed to lock in all of those bottom tabs. And yeah, so now my side emblem is totally blacked out. I think it looks pretty nice. Unfortunately today the weather isn't great, so we can't pull it outside. But for a simple, quick job, I just saved about 200 bucks on getting carbon fiber black ones. Obviously, carbon fiber would have matched the mirror cap, but the black I think looks pretty slick. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I will have a ton of M6 content coming soon. The weather is getting better here in Michigan. The insurance has just been placed back on the M6. It was on storage insurance previously for the winter time. So hopefully within the next couple of weeks, I'll be driving this thing a whole bunch more. So stay tuned for future content. As I said, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.